Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey folks, we've got a really nice, honest SS396 1970 Nova right here with a 4-speed posi rear end, and it's original metal, original numbers matching throughout. It's been frame off restored, and it's documented with a Protecto plate and photos of the restoration. This car looks great, and it just feels right too. The word honest just keeps coming to mind. This is just an honest, clean car. You can go to volocars.com and you can study pictures top to bottom. You can read the description there, and you can also find the price tags on every one of the collector cars we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, what I'm holding here in my hand is the glove box pouch, and you got the owner's manual, and then you have the Protecto plate. Some of you may know what that is, some don't. I'll explain it real quick. It's this metal warranty. It's for warranty purposes. It's the metal tag right here. It has the engine, transmission, and rear end numbers on it. So if you brought this car in 1971 to have warranty work, they checked the numbers, make sure you didn't swap something. You didn't take the transmission and put a different one in there. So now today, that documents the car. Because here we go. Here's the VIN number of this car. There's the engine code, says 396. There's the transmission code, which is a 4-speed. There's the posi rear end code. So this documents that this is the real deal. It was sold, here's the dealership it was sold at, and here's the person who bought it brand new on September 18th of 1969. So that's what the Protecto plate is. This is a form of documentation. It's not a made-up phony baloney car. It's real. We also have photos of the restoration. I'm going to guess the restoration was probably done about 15 years ago, because there's just enough patina on the nuts and bolts underneath and that sort of thing. But you can tell it was taken all the way down. The heater box was all apart. The whole subframe, everything was removed from the bottom of the car. And we'll put pictures of these on the website. Yeah, we got a picture of the completely restored subframe. It's beautiful. So the subframe was dropped out, stripped, painted, every component on it, the steering, suspension, ball joints, bushings, all of it was replaced. The rear suspension, the shocks got replaced. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean, Chevy orange. Original, it's all stock. The oil pan even has the original, the correct starter. It's been rebuilt. It has a Muncie M20 4-speed. It's the original. It came with the car. The numbers match the Protecto plate. They match the car. The dates, the codes all line up beautifully. In back, it's the original 12-bolt posi that belongs in this car. Again, it matches the Protecto plate. The dates, the codes line up with the car. It's a 331 posi. When they restored the car, they replaced the fuel system, the tank, the straps, sending unit. They replaced the exhaust system with the correct exhaust, not a Flowmaster system, but they put the correct dual exhaust in. It has a transverse muffler, which means it goes sideways, and then it has 2 tailpipes going out the back. So underneath the car is really clean metal too. The floor pans are really nice, dry, clean metal. Brakes were all redone at time of restoration. They're disc in front. The e-brake cables are all hooked up. The car is very proper. When you look at it, you don't see anything hokey or pokey, like, oh, why did they do this? Or they cut a corner here. It seems to be a very honest car. So I'll post some of these pictures on our website and the Protecto plate. So the body is really clean. This is original color Cortez silver. The SS comes with these grills on the hood, which look like new. But all the panels are straight, square, fit real nice, absolutely straight. I didn't see any damage, and this is all original metal. That's what they claim, and that's what I found. I didn't see any cuts or splices in the quarters. The doors fit beautifully, no bubbles, no bumps, no damage. Door shuts like a new car. The roof is beautiful, no problem areas. This is all nice, clean, smooth. Trunk fits real nice and square. Again, no issues, no dents, no bubbles, no damage. Truthfully, I haven't even found a flaw in the paint. I'm sure there is one somewhere. I always say that to cover my butt, but no nicks, no cracking. Shuts like a new car on both sides. All smooth along the bottom. The rockers are clean and smooth and straight. Now the paint, silver metallic, sometimes doesn't lay out properly. This is laid out nice. It's uniform all around. I'm assuming it's a clear coat. It's a very glossy. It has some depth to it. Beautiful, glossy finish. As far as the trim, you have bow tie mirrors, door handles, emblems, all look new. The stainless trim, one little dink right here, must cut a rock. Actually, a couple little dinks in the trim. But other than that, it's shiny. 396 emblems, the marker lights, bumper, lenses, grill, all this looks like it was replaced. The wheels, I'll have to double check, but they're supposed to be the right wheels. There's a 2-letter code stamped by the valve stem. I was told they're the original rims all the way around. Painted silver. They have what they call the poverty caps. And it has reproduction redline tires as well. The rubber is softer on the vent window. The fuzzies are new all around the channel here. It's all replaced. All the glass is really nice and clear. Even the back window might have a light hairline scratch here or there, but it's a really nice glass in the car. Back bumper, lights, tail panel. This is part of the SS package right here. Emblem, all of that looks mint. So the outside of the car is really, really nice. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm going to show you a really nice, clean trunk. Under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted smooth gloss silver paint. The decals, the weather strip, and the trunk mat have all been replaced. Original metal. I did not find any patches, cuts, or splices. We look up in here with a flashlight. They are claimed to be the original quarters, and that's what I believe as well. Has a silver rim with a Goodyear polyglass spare tire. Also has a complete jack assembly. So very nice, clean, tidy, complete trunk compartment. This is how it would have looked brand new. We got a really nice interior, nice door jambs. The bottom of the door, the lip is immaculate. Door panel is in excellent condition. Armrest. Oh, that's real nice. Looking at the dash, and everything fits nice. Sometimes you get a bunch of aftermarket parts, they don't fit, but this dash pad's mint. The whole instrument panel, the lens, the speedometer, the heater control panel is all real nice. It has original AM radio, all nice and clean. It doesn't work, but it's there. It's not broken or cut up. Over on this side, there is a scratch right there. But overall, very nice, tidy. Correct steering wheel's mint. It does have ashtray and the matching cigarette lighter. A lot of times that's gone or doesn't match. In the glove box, the light works. The liner's new. Down on the floor, the carpet's real nice, fits nice, and you got the good old Hurst 4-speed sticking out of the hump. You got reproduction floor mats. You got nice trim on the pedals. The seats, bucket seats. A lot of Novas were bench. They've been recushioned, so they're nice and firm, feel good. The headrest, the chrome, the plastic, all the trim on the seats, really nice shape. Now we got the back seat. Looks like it's reupholstered. All the trim around the back window, the side panels, the armrest, all of it's really nice. Complete set of GM seat belts. Headliner is mint. It's nice and tight. The visors, the mirror, all of it's excellent. Dome light works. So very, very nice interior. I can't use the word perfect, but fits nice, feels nice. Very gentle amount of wear or age, we'll call it. Now the motor, 325 horse was standard on a 396, whether it's in a Chevelle or Camaro. This is a 350 horsepower, so this is the optional higher horsepower motor. It is the motor that came with the car. It matches the Protecto plate, the VIN matches the car, the dates, the casting, all of it lines up properly. The motor runs spot on. You'll hear it at the end of this video. It sounds exactly like it would have, no more, no less. And it's all authentic. The right air cleaner, it's got the deep dish in the middle. This solenoid has to do with the spark, I believe. It's hooked up to the carburetor. The manifolds, the valve covers, dated spark plug wires, correct distributor. I didn't check the numbers on it, but it's not MSD or nothing like that. The big blocks, the heater hoses go in over here. Small blocks, they go in the firewall over there. So that's proper. The numbers are even correct on the alternator. We have the correct ribbed hoses, the right clamps, the right fuel filter. The radiator has the rubber flap, the shroud, the cap, all that's proper. Batteries bolted down. The windshield wipers and squirters are all hooked up. All the wiring is run neatly. It does have power brakes as part of the SS package. So very, very clean. It wasn't done last night, so again, you have a little bit of patina, but a really nice motor compartment. It's got the hood insulation starting to get a little tattered. So there you have it. This is a true car, the real deal. Again, big block 4-speed in a Nova. Go out and find one that's documented and as legit as this one. Frame off restored, original metal. It's a nice, nice car. Can't use the word perfect, but it's right. It's the right car. So I say this sometimes, if we were to close down tomorrow, what would be the top 5 cars I'd pick? I'd want to pick this one. I might have to fight my brother for it. He liked it too. So there you have it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you get it financed. It's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, do that, and then click on the bell icon so you're notified as these videos are posted. Thanks for watching.